Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we will discuss the art of data storytelling, turning raw data into meaningful insights. As we all know, all the data enthusiasts must be knowing that there are tools and technologies for data analysis and visualization. We use certain tools like BI, W, Looker, ClickSense. All these tools contribute to storytelling, the narrative visual. Ever wondered why big companies like Facebook, Amazon, Netflix, how they are generating massive amounts of data and how they are converting that data into a story? The formula behind converting raw data into meaningful decisions is with the art of storytelling. In this video, we will discuss how to turn data into decisions with storytelling. Let's begin. We all use Excel in our day-to-day life for quick analysis and reporting. So there comes a tool into picture called Power BI. It has a very strong integration with Microsoft in the Microsoft ecosystem, and it's very budget friendly. Tableau is also a very powerful. It is generally preferred for big enterprises. And we have a Google tool as well, also known as Looker, which is used as a cloud native BI. It is great for Google Cloud users like big who are using BigQuery or GCP services. Let's discuss real world examples where storytelling has influenced business strategy. So let's begin with one of an example, Spotify. In this generation, we all listen to music. We all have a different music taste. All are lean towards different favorite artists, and every human has a different taste in music. So what if that the data, the user's data, can be turned into a story that can help Spotify to improve their business strategy? Yes, Spotify is doing that, turning users' data into an actionable narrative. Spotify releases a Spotify app, and it's a quick summary of it's a user dashboard basically. When a user listens to music throughout the year, at the end of the year, Spotify releases a story and it tells the user that this is what you have liked. This is a really fun and engaging story. It drives user engagement and brand loyalty. So became a viral marketing campaign for Spotify. Like Spotify was using the company was not doing its marketing. Instead, they were enforcing the users who were listening to music to do their marketing. So they were sharing all the music related stories on various social media platforms, Instagram, Facebook, WhatsApp, boosted user retention by making people feel connected to the platform. Another example is which scaled up during COVID times. So Airbnb used the guest stories. So let's say if a person has booked a hotel on Airbnb, so Airbnb used the user stories. The users are preferring weekend getaways to their nearby stays. They are not preferring intercity travel during the COVID. They were observing the pattern, how people are moving in the COVID. Are they booking hotels outside the city or preferring weekend getaways? It completely analyzed the data, and therefore it was able to survive the COVID-19 pandemic as well. While many companies during COVID were in loss, but Airbnb was such, I'm not sure whether it was loss or in profit, but it did survive during the COVID-19 pandemic where most of the chains were failing. So it was a great strategy. It created two different dashboards. One is for the guest dashboard, and another dashboard it created for hotel management. They optimized the hostings, they optimized the listings, the price movement up and down. They did with the help of a particular dashboard by looking into the story of the company. Another great example is Google Maps. During COVID-19, people started moving out once the COVID wave came down, but the government was not really. They were keen to know which businesses they should open first, where people are moving. So using all the combined data from Google Maps, it helped the government and businesses plan reopening strategies. Google used storytelling to make data actionable for the policymakers. It showed all the mobility reports, how movement patterns changed during the lockdowns. It's a story-driven visual film format on their own. So yeah, I think that's a wrap. I discussed about three real-world examples: Spotify, Airbnb, and Google Map, how they convert their data-driven story into an actionable narrative. Thank you for watching.